Back in November 2019, baked goods manufacturer the Muffin Mam announced the opening of a new 100,000 square foot bakery plant in Lawrence, South Carolina that looked to grow the company's customer base and capabilities. 2 years later, that plant has abruptly closed, much to the surprise of its 200+ workers there. Local news reports said that the employees found a sign on the facility's doors on November 9th saying the plant was closed because its bank had frozen the company's assets and account. Several employees there told WYFF News that workers there were given 2 letters by the company days earlier, one dated November 8th saying the plant would close on January 7th of next year, and another 1 day later saying the plant was closing immediately. On November 10th, the company issued an emailed statement explaining the closure, primarily citing the ongoing impacts of COVID-19 on its ability to perform financially. Muffin Mam said initial lockdowns hurt revenues, followed by dwindled available skilled labor, and then the recent supply chain disruptions and rapid rising costs were the final blows that led its board's decision to cease operations. Also on November 10th, the company filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy in the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the District of South Carolina. Its filing shows that Muffin Mam owes almost $6 million to 189 creditors, including individual debts of $600,000 to Atlantic Corporation, $591,000 to Hardman Distribution, and nearly $383,000 to Creative Baking Solutions. Meanwhile, the filing stated that the company has assets of just less than $50,000. I'm Mike Hockett, and this is IEN Now.